Hey, what's up? I'm Steven tWitch Boss, dancer, entertainer. I love Mobot, and what I like most about it is, listen, foam rolling your body and getting things out and all that is like the best thing, but sometimes you don't want to carry this huge foam roller with you, so you kind of get the best of both worlds in this. It's actually essential that I do this because I'm still kind of going back and getting all of that out after years and years and years of what I would call a bad habit of not kind of rolling that stuff out, because that kind of impact, especially as you grow and I've gotten older, has only made my body tighter. So this really just helps to lengthen everything out. Dancers that say foam rolling is not for you, I think my advice is simple: is stop being weak. Like it's just like stretching. Stretching never really felt good at first, but then eventually you got used to it. It's the same with foam rolling. Like if you've never done it, then of course it's gonna feel horrible the first time that you do it. But then you have to look at the bigger picture and what you're actually releasing, and look at the end game rather than the temporary pain that you have to go through to get to that. Please get ahead of the game rather than trying to catch up. So that's my, stop being weak and stop being stupid. Take care of your body.